today everyone, what we're going to do is, in your group, you're going to compare your theoretical probability and your experimental probability. So you get to choose, as a group, which experiment you're going to conduct. We have tossing a coin, spinning a spinner, or rolling a die. You have the worksheet and your information there. Grab that and get to your group and decide which activity you want to work on. So go to it.
Yeah. How many dice? Come on.
And make sure you have your name on it as each partner on your paper as a group members. Make sure both names, or all three of your names, are on a group sheet.
Wait. No, that's 13. Okay, so experimental probability is 13. Because we're times. One half. Because there's one half. And then 13. Experimental probability is 7/20. Theoretical is 7.
Let me count to see how many.
Theoretical. Here's a decimal. 0.65, 0.35. Choose common denominators to compare them. Yeah. Wait, so we did the
But anyway.
13 over 20.
7 for 1?
And then 7 over 20. And then
No,
theoretical probability and experimental probability for tests. Yeah. Okay, so 1/2. And then we can just multiply 2 times 10.
No, that's theoretical.
And then 1 times 10, 10. And 13 over 20.
16, 17, 18. Oh, which one?
Yeah.
Who's turn? Yours. Oh, but are we doing it out of 25 times? Oh. 3. The experimental would be over 20. 2.
Beautifully, this one is the same.
3.
3, 6, 9.
It's 1, 6, 1.
Okay, so we did the first 3 steps. Compare the theoretical probability to experimental probability for tossing 2. First, do 3, 25.
We're doing number 3, so yeah, 3. Oh, 6.
I know, what I do is I put the fractions and then that, and then where we could just write the percents and everything.
So we did.
Like,
Oh, yeah, percent. Check off. Wait, we're on 2. So 2 would be 325.
Wait, no, we didn't. We didn't do them two.
Well, what is
Okay.
The decimal would be 0.12.
Okay, so that's, so out of 25.
12%.
So, can we simplify? And okay, so it'd be, so 6 and 25.
Sure.
Has
all
the
Tracy's on it.
Yeah.
3, but you have to simplify it. So 3, 5, and 3. 6. You do.
Not, some of them can't.
Okay, this one, I know that's
So when you are done with your groups and you've answered all the questions, ladies and gentlemen, when you are done with your activity and you answered all the questions and you did your comparison and your prediction of how many more, 100 times, what would happen if you rolled it 100 times or spinned 100 times, you can put your results on the board, group 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure you have your activity, which activity you decided on.
compare so,
No, we don't have to do that.
I don't know how you guys have responsible for it. It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're looking for 2.
Okay.
It'll be
I get what you meant.
425 times 1 6, which would be 25 24. Oh, I didn't want to do it. Less.
16.6.
Yeah.
And then 7 is 20. And then the decimal for 726 is 0.28.
Okay. Oh, so you want us to compare with this?
Right, you're comparing it with your original fractions. So, yes, yes. When you, what was the method that you used? Cross products? Yes. So when
Us to compare with,
the original fractions, the original amounts, yeah?
do you want us to,
What is it called?
And then do the 160.
no, with
That's the one
same,
method.
the other method,
Decimal equivalent.
and the other one, I'm trying to.
We don't have to do all
What's the third one? Help her out. Which one was she talking about? Common denominators. Very good. So you decide which ones you want to work with. Yeah. Okay, so the only thing you want to do after you do your cross products, you want to put your statement in fraction form again. So you want to go back to the original numbers and use your less than or greater than or equal sign. Okay?
It would be 3x equals 175 to 25, what does that equal?
You just rewrite it.
725 equals.
No, I don't think we're supposed to cross one.
Okay.
Yeah, to get, remember how we did?
Oh.
We have to write a statement.
Yeah, because you have to put.
We know we did. There's no statement.
And 175 next to it is what?
25.
25.
Okay, put the fraction.
Then you do 500. Oh, and in fraction form?
Yeah. And you're the put 24, you don't take 5 and then change the size.
Which equals 21, so we would put x. Then we're done.
Okay.
You want to write up the
Like
board?
extra sign and the
Oh, we could take turns. Okay. Right, so this is the same?
Yes. Okay, number 5 is causing a flat.
So 325.
325 equals, and times it, and that's 25.
What number are you doing? 4?
13 is less than 25. 3 is less than 1/6. Okay.
I'll just write this.
And if you take a look at group 2 as a summary, they did the coin experiment and they had 13 times out of the 20 were tossed a heads, and that was their experimental probability. Is that correct? You had heads 13, but experimental is 7/20, or I think you just copied it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Much better. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Just gotta be careful with those numbers. They sometimes blend together. Looks great, gentlemen. Very nice job on that. And it's very important to determine how you're going to compare your numbers. But you still have to make that statement, less than or greater than.
It's 21. It's awful. It would be 21 because you have to do 3 over 20 or
Okay, group 1, what experiment did you have? You want to maybe just update that?
I'll put down the
That'd be great, thank you.
Yep.
And lastly, if we had the extra time, we could have you present that information for each group. And that would be a nice summary as to what experiment you did and what the results look like.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so
I think you want to do 4?
Sure.
Yeah. You can do 4. What number do you like?
I'll do 6.
Okay, I'll do 5.
Oh, we also have to.
4, 2. Oh, you're fine, you don't have.
that's what you need.
Yes.
Or, and then this is greater.
Less than.
Yeah, less than 25.
Then you do
20, oh yeah.
4 over 25.
Rising.
No,
Why would it be
25?
24?
It says 4.
Oh, just, you could have just cut.
And then that one's by 75. So
No, because when you do this
Right.
cross multiplying, that's how you got that.
we don't have 25, 95.
Sorry about that.
122, which is the equals that.
Are you sure?
So what else can we do with this information that's on the board? Anybody have any ideas?
We can compare all of our answers.
Yeah, we can compare all our answers between each group. And then especially that 3 of the groups picked what? Died. So a lot of that information would be similar, or we can do some comparisons with those 3. Yeah?
You have to show the what though. It's by 21.
Okay.
Right? That's the introduction to the lines. It's 25 minutes. Over 25. Then do another one here. You have to it wasn't quite 5.
right. Nice work, Group 3. Very nice work. Very nice teamwork. Collaborative effort. Everyone did a great job. Okay. And thank you very much. That's the end of our activity.